In this video, I'm gonna show you how to install Dynamic Island on any Android device. Open your Play Store, install this application. I have already installed it, so I will simply open it. Tap on Next. Allow the permissions. Tap on Select Apps. Select All from here. Go back. Now give notification access. Simply scroll down. Select Dynamic Spot from here by tapping on this toggle. Allow it. Now tap on Draw on Screen. Simply allow it. Now tap on Draw on Screen. Tap on Next. Simply scroll down. Go in Install Apps. Go in Dynamic Spot. Enable this by tapping on this toggle. Tap on Allow. Now tap on Done. Simply skip this. Go in Position. As you can see, Dynamic Island position is not right. I can customize the size and position from here. Now it is looking good. Here are some more customization. You can play around it. So that's how you can install Dynamic Island on any Android phone. If this video helps you, like this video and subscribe the channel.